Shenzhen Company Industry Company Limited is a leading LED lights company based in Shenzhen, China. We've been designing and manufacturing novelty LED lights for over 10 years. Our factory covers an area of 3,000 square meters. We can produce LED lights from making mold, injection to printing logos and assembling. Most customers are satisfied with our good quality products and best services. The best sellers in our collection are submersible LED lights, LED base for centerpieces, op lights, circle table lamp, LED strip, neon strip, triangle gaming lights, hexagon lights, and wall lights. We provide services like drop shipping, customizing package, printing logo, and ODM. We are available 7 days a week and 24 hours a day. Thanks to the trust of our kind customers, our sales increased by 30% every year. More and more people are attracted by our products and services. They turn to cooperate with us. Contact us now to enjoy our best quality lights and services.